Hey folks, it's Steve from M4LED, and there is a new version of the 9007 bulb. The x10s has an integrated fan, and it installs a little bit differently because the flange is going to come off the front of the bulb. That is in the instructions, but easier to see on video sometimes. On the original housing, you're going to take your retaining collar off, and you're going to pull your bulb out, straight out. Now, you can use the original collar, and there will be instructions on shortening that collar that come with the shipment. All you do basically is there are retaining prongs on the inside. That's the front that goes against a lamp. You can use a fine-tooth hacksaw and cut this down and make it not so deep. That way it's not going to interfere with the plug and everything that's on the back of this light. An alternative is there's a Dorman one, which does the same thing. There are two different sizes on the inside, so make sure you match it up. This one in particular is this style, which is a 42415. These are available at the local auto parts store in the help section. A lot of times they have red cards on them. This one happens to be a blue card. But as noted before, there are two different flanges, so make sure you get the right one. So to put in the new bulb, you're going to twist it, and the flange is going to come off the front. It is a ratcheting, so it is adjustable once it's in there if you want to change the angle of everything. This does have to be lined up the correct way, and it's only going to go in one way, so make sure you're in the right orientation. And then you're going to put the mounting flange on it, the retaining ring, on it, and then you're going to put the lamp into it. Twist it all the way into position, but it is adjustable as mentioned if necessary afterwards to get a better light.